to another caravan video, and we're out here at Thornwick Bay, chucking it down. But in this video we're going to try and solve this leaking water heater. Changed O-ring, and it was water still coming down there, but it's not. Here in this Caravan Cascade 2, as you can tell from the. After an assortment of dead spiders from storage. So just looking at that, looks like it could be leaking here. So get somebody to turn the water on, see what happens. Grab the water container, I'm going to turn on the water pump, let me see what happens. So, yes, it's obvious. There's a source of our problem. Clearly the pressure relief valve is what the problem is, so it's probably the O-ring, so let's see if we can get this out and get the O-ring changed. So I brought a selection of adjustable spanners and water pump pliers, so I'll try the smallest one. Should be a matter of undoing this. So if it'll come undone without breaking. Oh! And it's broken, which isn't a surprise. So I'm going to need a new pressure relief valve. What a bugger. It's a few days later and got a replacement part there for the pressure relief valve. It's a genuine true part, because Trum would do all carver stuff now, and I thought I'll do the drain plug as well. I'll swap that. So we'll try a simple job involving the drill bit and try run it out. Just wedge the drill bit in like so, see if that no, unfortunately that's not going to work, so I'll have to try and knock this out somehow, chisel it out or something. It's going to be a bit difficult, but I'll just try it at an angle. No, that's not going to do it. So next thing I'm going to try is this screw extractor. I'm not sure if it's going to work. We've got high winds and rain making the job harder. seem to be moving the... weather we're having back end of August. So I'll see if I've got anything in my socket set. So I found something in my socket set that should fit it. Let's see if this will wind it out. Something's begun to split, so I think I'm going to have to give that one up. Yeah, I definitely heard something break. So that's not going to work neither. Well, I'm going to have to leave it for now until another time. Hopefully the weather will improve. I did fit the drain plug, so that's something. I need to get this out. So have to leave it. Another week's gone by and I'm back at the caravan. I'm going to try again with the screw extractor. Generally, I managed to get this out in one piece. Just heard it crack last time I tried it this way, so my plan is to try again, hear it crack, back it off. Not quite all the way in yet. No, don't think that's going to work neither. So I'm going to have to resort to junior hacksaw. Get the blade in, so I'm going to have to do this off camera. Take too long, so I'll do is I'll stop the camera at this point, and the camera's getting in the way, which doesn't help, so I'll come back to you when I've got a bit further on with this. But yeah, that's how you do it, just cut it with hacksaw and work your way around. Hopefully it'll all come out in pieces. Come back to you in just a moment. Literally hack away at it with a combination of screwdriver and the pliers and various picks, and now I'm nearly at the point of getting this last big bit out. See if I can get with these pliers. And there we go. That's pretty much the last bit. So if I just get a pick, scrape just only a few remnants, just scrape the last few bits out. Don't want it to fall inside, that won't be good, it'd just get into the water. So just keep at it with the pick. There we go, just one more bit. Oh, there's quite a big bit, and there we go, that's it, it's all cleaned out. So what I'll do is get my valve, get my new pressure relief valve. In fact, I might just try cleaning the threads out. So yeah, it's all out now. Matter of screwing it in so I find a suitable span. I've only got my adjustables. Just so about the middle of the thread trying to get this pressure relief valve out. To go all the way in. Let's see if I've heard something more suitable. I might have to try my water pump pliers. They can get in the tighter spaces and the adjustable spanner. Oh my god, that might be a bit better. Right, what boy, we always try to get it in, so I'll come back to you when that's done. Well, it was a bit of a struggle getting it on, but it's in. Now time for the moment of truth. Turn the water on, see what happens. Okay, so far so good. I need to tighten this up. There we go. That's into the weakest point, quarter of a turn. Maybe a tad more. should do it. So I think that's a fix. Got a bit of a drip here, but I think we can live with that. Just tighten up a bit more. I won't go any further, so don't worry about that. Well, seems to be holding, it's a lot better than it was before. So we're all done and dusted, all good, no leaks outside, and if you can see there, I had to adjust that because that needed adjusting because the pump was running all the time, and that's a pressure switch, you know, for the water inlet. It detects if pressure drops and kicks a pump, and you know, when you open a tap or the hot water tank's emptying. So a bit of twiddling and we're all good. So that's a complete fix. So I'll wrap it up for this particular video. It was a bit of a struggle, but I got there in the end. It's all working again. Hope you enjoyed this one. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, you get notified. Questions, comments, you know it. But as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.